So, Birch Polypore makes a good coal there. I know I'm a bit overly aggressive with my ferro rod, but it gets the job done. Good to know. Stuff works pretty good. Keep some of this stuff in my tinder. This stuff here is still wet. I'm worried about it getting a little bit moldy. I did see some mold here when I was drying it. Can you guys see that? Yeah. So it's a little bit moldy there, but if you're only just gonna burn it, don't make a difference. Just want to test out this the pot that has fungus on it. That top layer is still moist. I just want to see if that catches. Nope. So let's just try the underneath again. Yeah. So that bit works. So I can get rid of all this bit then. Just keep that. Cool. See, if you don't try, you don't know. Just rip open part of that. Go. Cool. So I know. And that's what Bushcraft's about. Testing stuff out.